Hello there and welcome back to our channel, Page Snap Summaries. Today we'll be discussing the book The One Thing by Gary Keller with J. Papasan. The One Thing is a transformative book that offers valuable lessons and insights on how to achieve success and fulfillment by focusing on what truly matters. In this book, Keller emphasizes the importance of identifying and prioritizing the one thing that will make the most significant impact in our lives. This summary is made in two parts. So let's dive right in part 1 and explore the key learnings and insights from each chapter. In chapter 1, the author introduces the concept of the one thing, the most important task or goal that will have the greatest impact on our lives. He emphasizes the need to identify our one thing by asking the focusing question: what is that one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? The author stresses that one should identify that one task and prioritize it above all else. The lesson here is that by focusing on our one thing, we can achieve extraordinary results and avoid getting overwhelmed by trying to do too many things at once. Chapter 2 explains about the popular domino effect. The concept of domino effect states that accomplishing our one thing will have a ripple effect, leading to positive outcomes in other areas of our lives. The authors encourage readers to visualize the domino effect and understand how focusing on the most significant task will create a chain reaction of success. The insight here is that by prioritizing our one thing, we can create momentum and make progress in multiple areas of our lives. In this chapter, the author discusses the importance of studying successful individuals and learning from their strategies. He emphasizes the need to find mentors and role models who have achieved what we aspire to accomplish. By following in their footsteps and emulating their habits and practices, we can increase our chances of success. The lesson here is to seek guidance from those who have already achieved what we desire and learn from their experiences. In Chapter 4, the authors introduce the 3 commitments that are necessary to achieve our one thing: adopting a mindset of purpose, mastering the art of priority, and living by the principles of productivity. He explains that by aligning our thoughts, actions, and habits with these commitments, we can stay focused and make consistent progress. The insight here is that success requires a deliberate and intentional approach, and we must commit to prioritizing our one thing. In the 5th chapter, the author exposes the 6 common lies that hinder our progress and prevent us from achieving success. These lies include multitasking, believing that everything matters equally, and the fear of saying no. By debunking these misconceptions, the authors encourage readers to overcome these obstacles and focus on what truly matters. The lesson here is to recognize and challenge the beliefs and behaviors that hold us back from prioritizing our one thing. That's the end for part 1. Continue watching part 2 by clicking the video at the end. Thanks for watching.